Welcome back to the channel, guys, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Cheers for stopping by. Right, the last time I used this Outlaw, it was in the snow, and my pinion gear actually stripped the grub screw. So it's all fixed now, as you can see. We're just going to give him a blast around here, just on 2S today, guys. A bit of a test, because I haven't used it since I've done it. See if I can get some slow-mo shots and everything. Get some TikTok videos going, yeah? Oh man, yep, she's going. I love this thing, she's just nuts. In case anybody's wondering, they are Tractor Slash tyres, which makes it lower, makes it handle better. However, she does lose a bit of top end speed, but that's no problem here. Oh, I think I can see a jump down there. Let's go check that jump out. Not much of a jump, guys, but saying that, we don't really want to trash the car today. We've only just got going again. Oh! Nice day up here, guys. Might hear some bikes in the background. No matter where I go, right? Trying to get this angle. Yeah, just can't get it. If I fix it, bring it out, you know, for a nice day out, what's it do to me? Try and kill me. Good. Cheers for that. Nice one, Jesse. Oh. I moved that brick off the trail, off the path, so I wouldn't hit it. I was trying to get it coming towards me, but oh. It's a bit windy up here. It'd be interesting to see what the wind noise is like with this mic. Way on your wheels, no. So a nice gentle bash, guys. Whoa. Oh. Right, let's try and get try and get some slow motion coming over that lot. I think that'd be pretty good. So we have got some, guys, but I'm filming in 60 frames a second anyway, so I can slow down some of it. But that suspension is just dialed right in on this Outlaw, guys. It just seems to work over all this. As what did I just say? Yeah, just say nothing, innit? Probably best. Alright. So, yeah, she's fixed, guys. Might give her a run later. It depends what battery I've got left. I've got a few with me, but I've got a load of cars with me as well, so we'll see what battery's left later. Later on in the day. Might add to this video, might not, but right, anyway guys, just gonna leave this one there. Cheers for watching, all the good stuff down below, if you did enjoy the video. And we will catch you again soon for some more RC adventure there. Right, cheers for watching, guys. Stay safe out there. Catch you soon. Right, come on in, you hoon. One last blast. And here come the bikes. Come on, Outlaw. Oh, why couldn't I have done that? I'm trying to get some stuff on here for ages. It's not working, so I'm just gonna film it and hold me. Alright, save the battery for later. Oh, too much fun, man. Oops, that wasn't. Damn, it seems slow after that ram reader. To be fair, I think the battery's gone. Oh, Alright, so this is later on, guys. Just running off the battery. A little bit of bonus footage here, bike crash. I've been driving the Ram Raider, and this thing's way slower. They haven't got the best of battery in it though. Okay, just a bit of bonus footage for you guys. Trying to get some shots for the old TikTok as well. It's 009.r3.adventures. There'll be a link in the description if you haven't already found me, guys. Love this Outlaw. I say it's only on 2S. That was great. Up there's another cart. Yeah, it's just running off the battery now. She was stuck on something then, a big brick or something. How well she handles for an Outlaw though. Leave it there, guys. Hope you enjoy the bit of bonus footage, and yeah, join me again soon. I'm still playing because the battery's not flat. But yeah, catch you soon, guys.